Hey darling, so I realized it's been quite some time since I last uploaded a tutorial, so I just wanted to give you something pretty meat and potatoes, something that's critical to all of my pieces, which is glitter. I have several ways that I add glitter, but I'm going to show you one super easy way. Got my doggy in here. Oh, Pino, stop! Stop! Cat in a box. Anyways, ooh, and weird adjustments. Okay. Let's just start. You just might need a basic knowledge of Photoshop. That's what I'm going to be using. But without further ado, and before everything breaks here, let's get started. Alright, so I want to add some glitter to these fabulous shoes. I'm going to add it right here in this purple section. I'm using Adobe's Photoshop and alright, let's just get started. Alright, so you've got my layer panel on the right. My animals are still running around like crazy in the background. I've turned this layer off because I'm going to show you how I get it. Go to the very tip top of your window, go to Layer, all the way down to New Fill Layer, Pattern. And you just say, all right. And it gives you something that looks really icky at first, but just hang tight, it's gonna look good. These are all of the different textures or patterns that come with Photoshop, so you don't have to download anything online. The one that I like is this one right here. And I also want to increase the scale just a little bit, so I'm gonna hit 120%. Okay, so that looks really icky and black and gray and stuff, but all I'm gonna do is hit one magic button, which is to click overlay right there, just like that. And then with my handy dandy clipping mask, I'll go Option Command G. I have a Mac and it's filled right here in this purple section. So that's everything. That's all you need to just add some glitter. Woo! Okay, so I think it's a little bit quiet now, but I hope that that was helpful for y'all, that you enjoyed it, and that it was easy to follow along. I have several other ways that I like to add glitter to my pieces, and I'll be sure to share those later on. Until then, if you liked this video, feel free to actually like it. You can subscribe to my channel as well to get other tutorials and time lapses and all other such fun things. Until then, stay sparkly.